God will punish you. Now and forever. Criminals. Any judgment, let it be on record. Any judgment in this court is rubbish. Ask him where is the law. Ask Omotosho, where is the law? Where is the law?
Those were the words of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu before he left the courtroom yesterday. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video covers one of the most consequential legal decisions in Nigeria's recent political history. The life imprisonment sentence handed down to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the IPOB leader, what he said in court, how the judge ruled, and the possible fallout. Let's break it down. But before then, let's look at what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's speech was before he was forced out of the courtroom. And we'll be right back.
Show me, my Lord, you are conducting their case for them. You are the one running their case for them. Let them show me that the prosecution, show me where it says you can waive my right to final written address. And I'll sit down.
You have the right to appeal after my...
No, my Lord, this is a perversion of the cause of justice. This is not law. It is not law.
Can you excuse me?
My Lord, I cannot excuse nullity and illegality.
Can you let him
It's not possible. It is not possible, my Lord. You must show me where the Constitution says you have the right to waive my written address. You must show me.
Excuse him.
Show me. Show me where it says so. Show me. Show me where it says so.
Excuse him.
Is that why you brought the cameras? Is that why you brought them today?
Please.
You didn't bring it before. You brought it today.
Please.
Show me where it says you can try me on a repeat law.
You see, Kanu was tried on 7 counts, including terrorism related to his sit-at-home orders in the southeast and broadcast through the media outlets. Prosecutors even sought the death penalty, arguing that his actions involved incitement, violence, and real security threats. But when Justice Omotosho handed down the verdict, he opted for a life sentence instead, a decision he said balanced justice with mercy, sentencing him to 20 years imprisonment. Ha! Now, wow! Let's watch this video and we'll be right back.
The death penalty globally is now being frowned upon. I hereby sentence the convicts to life imprisonment instead of death sentence. Life is sacred to God. He is hereby sentenced to 20 years imprisonment without no option or fine. To extend the mercy, I hereby order that the sentence shall run concurrently. And due to the nature of the offenses that borders on terrorism and the attitude, violent nature of the defendants that I have taken judicial notice. The last adjourned date, he was so unruly and expressed violence, even was about to beat the security officers there. This morning, he repeated same. That has been his trait, his attitude. So I have no hesitation in coming to the conclusion that convicts has the tendency of violence. The tendency of violence has not left him. It is based on this that he must be kept in facility that is suitable for his custody, as putting him in Kuje Correctional Center may not be appropriate. And also, I take judicial notice and that for conclusion of the judgment and from the exhibits that I've analyzed in my judgment, substantially, the convicts made use of computer device like phones in making broadcasts to incite and call for all these atrocities. It is based on that without hesitation, I agree with the counsel to the prosecution that the convicts must not be allowed near any digital device, and if he must be closely monitored by the Office of the National Security Advisor.
Justice Omotosho did not mind words. He called some of Kanu's action atrocious and warned of his tenacity towards violence. Yet, the judge rejected capital punishment, using biblical references and pointing to global oppositions to the death penalty. Omotosho ordered that Kanu be kept in a high-security prison and banned from using devices because of his broadcast influence. How did we get here? Like, how? Kanu, on the other hand, was in a tense moment. Kanu declared, "This court lacked jurisdiction. My charge sheet does not cite a written law. You are trying me under an unlawful work frame." His refusal to play by the court's rules was a calculated move, one that challenged the legitimacy of the trial itself. He also expressed defense, suggesting that his struggles is not just personal but fundamentally political. Let's watch this video and we'll be right back. Please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe so that others will see what is happening on today's politics.
And in a brief overview of what is contained in my motion, my Lord, my contention is very simple. That ab initio, this court lacks jurisdiction to try me. That this very court is a material defiance of an appellate court judgment, the Supreme Court, with specific regards to count 7, which does not exist in the laws of this very country, and which the Supreme Court mandated this very court to amend. That hasn't happened. The presence of count 7 on this charge sheet, my Lord, nullifies this entire proceedings.
Life sentence has far-reaching implementations. For IPOB, it could be a major blow to their leadership and morals. For Kanu supporters, it will deepen a narrative of persecution. For Nigerian justice system, it raises a question. Did the court really tamper justice with mercy, or was this a framed political message? For national stability, it could inflame tension in the southeast where Kanu's movement is strong. Now, I have a question to ask you. So what do you think? Was this bandit fair or politically motivated? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your notification button for political updates like this. Thank you for watching.